Hey, what is up everyone? Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your driver's license in New Jersey. So first in your Google search bar, just search for NJ driver's license. Then click on this link that is named NJMVC. And from this website, we're just going to scroll down until we get in this start here section. So from here, you can see steps and guidelines on how to get your driver's license. It says here that you're going to need to first get your initial permit. And to do that, you're going to need to make an appointment for a permit. Just click on this link. And from here, you can start making an appointment. Just fill out all the necessary information about the appointment. Of course, bring your documents and get your permit. Then next, once you have your permit, you have 2 years to finish all the steps or you must get a new permit. So from there, you can now start making an appointment now for knowledge test. All you have to do is click on this link. So from the same page, you can now make an appointment for knowledge test. Also bring in your documents to take your knowledge test. You will also be required to take a vision test. Step 2 is practice driving. From here, you're going to make an appointment now for your road test for 6 months after you pass your knowledge test. You're also going to need to practice supervised driving for 6 months. From the same page, you're also going to take your road test. So if you fail, you can retest in 14 days. But if you pass, your permit will then be stamped and you can go to the next step. And the last step is to get your probationary driver's license. You can get this at the location of your road test if available, or if not, you can just get it at any licensing center with your stamp permit and your documents. No appointment necessary. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!